Hello teacher, my name is Vân Anh. I am going to talk about one of my memorable experience in my life. One of the most memorable experience in my life were my first trip to Da Nang. It happened last summer when I had just finished my exam. I went there with my family. I was staying at Mikhe Beach. I was amazed by the beautiful scenery and friendly people. We took many photos and enjoyed delicious local foods. This trip is memorable to me because it was time of joy and spending with my loved ones. Thank you for listening. Goodbye, teacher.